Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a home automation system with Google Nest, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by evaluating your needs and goals for your home automation system. Decide which devices you want to control with Google Nest. Common options include smart lights, smart plugs, thermostats, and security cameras. Ensure that the devices you choose are compatible with Google Assistant. Next, purchase the Google Nest Hub or speaker that fits your preferences. Once you have your devices, download the Google Home app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and sign in using your Google account. Tap on the plus sign in the top left corner to set up a new device. Follow the prompts to add your Google Nest Hub or speaker. Set up Wi-Fi by connecting your device to your home network. Once connected, the app will guide you through the initial setup for your Google Nest device. Next, add your smart devices by selecting Set Up Device in the app. Choose the brand of the device you want to add. Follow the on-screen instructions to connect each device to Google Home. Once all devices are added, you can create control groups for devices in the same room. Use the app to organize your devices for seamless control. Customize settings for each device to optimize functionality. You can also explore automation routines by selecting routines in the app. Create automated commands for your devices for specific times or scenarios. Test each setup by giving voice commands to your Google Nest device. For example, try saying, "Hey Google, turn on the living room lights." Adjust your settings as necessary based on your experience. Regularly check the Google Home app for updates and new features. Enjoy the convenience of your new home automation system with Google Nest. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.